What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? So, if you love the sound of the internal combustion motor, the exhaust noise of the Motogp racing, well, don't be afraid because it is not going anywhere. But before we get to that, it really helps if you can like, share, subscribe on this video. It really helps the channel and all the algorithms and all that kind of crap. So, be a dear and help me out. I'd love you forever. But this comes from Crash.net. That Motogp World Championship to phase out fossil fuels by 2027. And I read that and I thought, I guess we're going fully electric. You know, Moto E maybe gets absorbed into it or something. But no. It says, quote, Motogp World Championship has confirmed it'll phase out the use of fossil fuels in all Grand Prix classes by 2027. First step, we'll see the current petrol replaced by fuel with a minimum of 40% non-fossil fuel, so biofuel or e-fuel, by 2024. And then by 2027 it'll be 100%. So they won't be running, gas or petrol, whatever you want to call it. They'll be running corn fuel or something like that. But you're still going to get the internal combustion engine. You're still going to get the exhaust noise and the downshift revs and all that kind of fun stuff and good sensory that you get from a fully internal combustion engine. The noise, the rumble from it. You're not going to go straight to electric, which is kind of cool. Being the fact that you're going to have Moto E, obviously that's still running. So if you're looking for electric racing, there it is. But you're still going to have MotoGP and Moto 2, Moto 3 running on, who knows, whatever fuel it can cook up in the next 6 years, 5 years, something like that. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, it's a way to keep it kind of traditionally, internal combustion, noise, big power engines, and then you have electric racing already going on and more likely going to continue to grow because that's the way things are mostly going. But who knows how long this is going to stay around, because if it's perfectly non-fossil fuel, it's renewable, it's clean, whatever you want to call it, there'd be no reason for them to stop racing and stop running it. Obviously, if you can't run fossil fuel forever, and they're going to try and go with the times and go as clean and PC as they possibly can. So this is kind of neat. I'm going to leave the link I'm going to leave the link to this site or this article if you want to read it in the description below, so you can read the whole thing, whatever you want to do. Yeah, tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you think they're still going to sound the same? Do you think they'll sound different? More power, less power, whatever it is. Whatever you want. Comment. What's your favorite kind of donut? Let's go with that one. Toppings, flavor, all that stuff. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.